Good morning, student. Today I am going to start your new chapter, chapter 3 of Moral Science. Be a peacemaker. In this chapter, meaning of peacemaker is a person who never argue or fight with others or stop argument and fight. So this chapter is based on importance of peace in our life, and we should never fight, argue and use bad words for anyone. Children, in this chapter, five main characters are there. First is narrator. The meaning of narrator is the person who tells a story or explains what is happening in a play. Second is Arjun. Arjun is a bully boy. And third, Sonam, who is peacemaker. And fourth, Bindu. She is a student. And fifth student of class 3. Children, now listen carefully, all of you, okay? Arjun is in class 3. He bullies everyone. Bullies means to use your strength or power to hurt somebody who is weaker. On other hand, Sonam and her friend always try to stop argument and want to make peace in the class. Students, in this skit, let's look at different situation and how a peacemaker behaves. Okay, children, this skit also like a stage performance. Okay, situation wise I will explain you. Now, situation first. Narrator. The entire assembly hall is full of excitement. The students are preparing for science exhibition to be held the next day. Everyone is working hard to make the exhibition a success. But can things go smoothly for long if a bully is around? Okay, now think about that who is a bully? Bully boy is Arjun. Okay, Arjun. I can't find my new eraser. Bindu, I am sure you have taken it. Bindu softly reply, I did not take it. Arjun, I have my own. Now third character, Sonam, quickly. Here, I have another eraser. You can use this, Arjun. Sonam said to Arjun. Now, next, Arjun replied, half-heartedly. Oh, okay, thanks. Narrator, both Sonam and Bindu smile at each other and continue their work. Okay, student. Now, in this situation first, what do you have learned instead of arguing with someone that we have not taken anything? We should find the solution to stop the matter. Same. Sonam has done. She has given her eraser so that Arjun stop accusing to Bindu to continue their science exhibition work. Now, next is situation second. Started. Narrator. The teacher gives the students a table is to set up their charts and models. Arjun pushes Sonam aside and rushes towards her table and stands next to it. Arjun, I want this table. People who enter the hall can see my model from a distance. Sonam, okay, I will take the next one. It's good enough for me. Children, have you observed In first skit, as Arjun always want to be first in everything through arguing and fighting, and Sonam does not want to fight with Arjun. She changed her place. Now next is our third skit situation. Narrator. The teacher hands over cups of paint to the students so that they can color their models. Arjun complains loudly that he is the only one who has not got any paint. He tries to take Bindu's, who immediately offer to share hers. The cup of paint slips from Bindu's hands and, and spills on Arjun's shoes. The students stop their work to absorb the quarrel. Arjun yelling, Bindu, you have spoiled my new shoes. Bindu, I am sorry, Arjun. And Arjun yelling more loudly, you are so careless. I am going to spill paint on your shoes. Let me see how you like it. Now, next, Sonam grabs a tissue quickly and bends down. Let me wipe it for you. Arjun, look, your shoes are as good as new now. Now, next is narrator. Peace returns once again. The student tell me who handled the situation? Sonam. Sonam handled the situation. In third skit, you can see the student. How Sonam helped Bindu. We should never take revenge if anyone have done something by mistake. Instead of taking revenge that if you have spoiled my, then I will also do. We should come for solution. We should learn from Sonam how she handled all the situation peacefully without arguing and fighting. So, children at school or at home learn to accept each other's differences and work together. Then there will be peace. Hope you understood this story like a stage performance. Thank you. Have a good day.